harness, anything special?
May I please remind parents to keep children off laps and have them next to you on the seat. You can still support them when they're next to you, you just can't have them on your lap. Thank you.
Look.
Once again, may I please remind parents to keep children off laps and have them next to you on the seat. That includes children in the harnesses. This is for their own safety. I know it sounds dumb, but that's just the rules of the ride. Thank you.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You know that? Definitely trick or treat. It doesn't normally do that, does it not? Oh my goodness.
Hello again everyone, we'll be arriving at the platform shortly, so please remain seated until we come to a full stop and then the doors will unlock for you. Thank you.
You know when the guy was like, I said him